Therefore, he is able to save completely those who come to God through him, because he is always living to intercede for them. You know, one of the most wonderful things in this world to know is that Jesus is praying for his disciples. In John chapter 17, he prays for them and he's so concerned for them. Mind you, with the cross looming in his mind and in his heart, yet he's thinking of his disciples. You know, it's a wonderful thing to know that someone is praying for you. When someone personally prays for you. I remember my mother, you know what? She was on her knees praying for me. I don't know how long she was on her knees. She was really on her knees. I don't know, half an hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour. I'd see my mother on her knees and she'd be praying for me. And one of the most glorious experiences was to know that my mother was mentioning my name in prayer to God. And you know, when you look at this verse in the book of Hebrews, you know, it says that he's always interceding for us. In other words, in the last 2,000 years when Jesus left and he went to his glorious heaven, he's been praying. I think that's the longest prayer meeting ever. And it's going on and on and on. He's praying for you. He's praying for me. You know, there was a young man that came and met one of the great pastors. And he said, you know, Pastor, I'm so timid. I'm afraid. I don't know how to handle life. And you know what the great preacher said? Hey, what if you know that Jesus is in the next room mentioning your name and praying to the Father about you? And he said, wow, is he really doing that? And you know, that is what Jesus is doing. He's praying for you. Think of him praying for you in the next room. Not just praying for you, he's mentioning you by name. Like he prayed for Simon Peter and he prayed for all the other disciples. He's praying for you and he's mentioning your name. I want to encourage you with those words. Jesus loves you and he's praying for you. God bless you. I want to tell you about Sunday. We're going to have communion. And would you join us? Join us around your digital platform and come together and let's have communion in all our services. Hey, God bless you. Have a wonderful day.